Now, if you're actually part of this YouTube channel, then you should understand something, that we actually enjoy doing the impossible, right? We like squeezing the best out of ourselves like that. Now, that's why today we'll be trying to push a $15 account to over $20,000 account just like that. And we'll be trying to achieve all of this stuff within 6 hours. Now, to achieve this particular target today, we'll just be using two simple concepts of trading: a support and a resistance. Now, these are just the two concepts that we'll be using today, right? Just these two concepts. Now, the truth is that a lot of traders out there, they commonize the support and resistance strategy or the concept of trading. Now, the beauty about support and resistance is that it's so powerful that if you tell me that there's no strategy that is 100% accurate, it's perfect, everyone agrees to that. But if you tell me to choose just one strategy that might just be 100% accurate, then I will tell you support and resistance. Now, this concept is actually so powerful that even banks, large corporations, large organizations, professional day traders, professional swing traders, they always look at these levels, because these levels, they are extremely important and extremely accurate. And all we'll just be using today is actually just a mobile device. That's all we are using today. We are not using no PC, nothing. We're analyzing everything straight from our mobile device just like that. So that not to waste so much time, guys, if you are new to this particular YouTube channel, just remember to hit the subscription button there, guys. Hit the like button. Remember to turn the notification bell so you don't miss any video that I'll be dropping out from this place. So that just as you hit the subscription button, guys, just remember to hit the like button, guys. Just hit the like button, guys. And if you're already part of this YouTube channel, you're already a member of this team, don't forget, guys, if your notification bell is not turned on, just remember to turn the notification bell, guys. Just turn the notification bell, and remember to also hit the like button, guys. Just hit the like button, guys. And not to waste so much time, let's storm in now. So we're actually having about $15 at this spot. Now let's just quickly plot out our normal support and resistance levels. Okay, so that's our resistance, and boom, our support. So what are we expecting now? Let's plot out let's just place in our external here first. Boom, our external. So what are we expecting? Plays around this level, drops towards our support, and then plays around and pushes towards our resistance. That's just it. So we'll just wait now and actually see how spectacular actually goes. Boom. Okay, so this is what we're having. So you can see this stuff, it's actually hit this level, pushed up, hit this level, drop down, hit this level, drop down. So what are we expecting this stuff to do now? It's supposed to hit this particular spot here and then pushes back up smoothly just like that. It's actually just easy, guys. That's just it. So where are we expecting this stuff to go now? Finally, because it's pushing from the bottom towards the top, it should break a normal support and resistance and then continue pushing up smoothly like that. That's actually a final movement. It's actually just that easy. So what can we do now, guys? We can actually storm into this trade, because this particular stuff is actually done with its rejection. You can actually see the rejection already. So let's just stop stocking into this particular trade just like that, guys. Okay, let's just stock in some more. Let's see. Okay, we're actually staying red. Stock in some more, just maybe one or two more, just at that. Okay, I don't know, this stuff is okay. So what are we having currently? Okay, let's just add some more. Let's just add. Okay, so we're actually having that. Okay, let's just add some more, just a few more. Okay, and boom, that's it. Okay, so we'll just wait now. Okay, now this is what we're having. Let's actually zoom out this spectacular trade now, guys. Let's actually just zoom out. Okay, let's zoom out this spectacular trade, and boom. So we're actually having about $83 currently. $83. So what we're having currently. Now we can actually see this stuff. $83. Now it's actually playing around the spot, right? You can see it got rejected at about this spot. So what are we expecting it to do now? Drop down again, because it couldn't push up. It got rejected. So what do we do now? We can actually easily storm into this trade smoothly just like that. So let's just stock in some trades like that. Okay, that's it. Let's just add some more trades to that, and okay, we're actually, wow, we're actually about 40 rate. Okay, let's stock in some more there at about that spot. Okay, stock in some more, just some more, a few more. Okay, now this is what we're having currently. Okay, so we'll just wait now and actually see how spectacular actually goes. Boom. Okay, guys, now this is what we're having. Now this is really smooth, guys. So we're actually running over $300 currently. Let's zoom up the trade. Let's just zoom up the trade. Boom. Now currently we're actually having about $401. Now we're actually moving. This is actually really smooth. So so guys, this is actually what you're having currently. This particular stuff actually dropped towards this particular level. You can actually see that. Let's just extend this a bit, and that's it. Okay, now it's actually balanced now. So what do we see again? We saw another rejection occurred at about that spot, right? Now you can see, remember, it's actually pushing from this top, crosses this level and pushes up, so we can easily storm into this trade because we already know the final direction. And don't forget, guys, this candlestick that is here is actually a normal what candlestick is actually a normal morning star, right? That's exactly what got formed there. You can actually see that it's a morning star that got formed at about that spot. Let me show you that. Okay, you can see that, right? So what are we expecting? We're expecting this stuff to actually just start shooting up towards the top like that, right? Towards the top, just like that, right? Now after hitting this level, or it can push down. If it drops this top, then it's going back down. Boom, we can actually see that this stop just got rejected, right? You can see that just got rejected, so we can stock into this trade easily, just like that. Let's just stock into this particular trade. Okay, let's just increase that, stock into this trade. Okay, so what are we having? Okay, so this is what we're having currently, guys. So okay, let's just stock in some more. Okay, boom, this is what we're having currently, guys. Now we're actually having about this movement. Now this is actually really smooth, guys. You can actually see that, guys. This is actually really smooth. It's just taking on, breaks out of this level, and boom, it's pushing up towards this particular spot, just like that. So we can actually just zoom up the trade, guys, because we're actually having about over 2,000 bucks, right? Okay, it's still taking off. Let's just leave this trade, guys. Let's just leave this trade, because the way this stuff is looking like, it might actually just start. You can see that movement. Let's just leave. Let's just leave this trade. Let's just zoom up this particular trade, guys. Let's just zoom up this particular trade. Okay, let's just zoom up. Okay, so we're actually having about 2.6k currently. Okay, now this is what we're having, guys. You can see this stop actually dropped down, hit this particular spot, just like that, right? You can see now after that, what happened was it actually came for a retest. That's what happened, guys. It came for a retest. So what are we expecting to do? Push back up towards our resistance level, right? So we are expecting this part maximum as a stop loss, right? So that we can easily storm into this particular trade and know where our stop loss is. Okay, let's just talk into some trades now. Let's just use maybe like 2 lot sizes, because our capital is a bit higher now. Now this is what we're having, guys. Now you can actually see this what we're having. We're actually running about 2.8k, 3k currently. Now this is actually really small. Okay, 2.6k. This is what we're having, guys. This is exactly what we're having. So what we can actually just do now is we can actually just be planning on zooming up this trade. 2.7. Okay, guys, let's leave this trade. Let's leave this trade. Let's zoom up this trade. Let's just zoom off. Okay, now we're actually having about 5.6k, guys. 5.6k. Get more good entries. Okay, guys, now this is what we're having currently. You can actually see this, right? Now this stop actually hit our zone there right now. So what are we expecting this stop to do? Give us a rejection, which is already giving us. That's already a rejection. You can see that it's already rejecting and telling us that, okay, I want to drop back down towards the level that I just came from. So let's stock into some trades now. Let's just use 4 lot sizes this time around, so we don't have too much trades. Okay, so that's what we're having. Okay, now that's 1.7. Okay, boom. Okay, guys, so this is what we're having. So we're just stocking some more, and okay, not enough money. Okay, so this is what we're having, guys. Boom. Okay, now this is what we're having currently, guys. This stuff actually just dropped smoothly like that. We are actually running over 4,000 bucks. So let's just zoom off this trade, guys. I don't see what we're still doing here. Let's just zoom off this particular trade. Boom. Now we actually hit at 10,000 bucks. So we are just left with 10k extra, and we are done. Okay, guys, now this is what we're having currently. You can actually see this stuff. It dropped down finally to hit our level again. So what are we expecting to do? Push back up towards that particular spot, just like that. So let's just extend that, right, which is actually really smooth. Okay, now so let's actually just use our 4 lot sizes again to actually buy, because it actually hit our level already. Let's just stock in some buys. Okay, 6, 7. Okay, so let's just watch and actually see how Spectre so actually goes from here. Boom. Okay, now we're actually running over 8,000 bucks. Let's zoom up this trade, guys. But let's just see how this stuff. Okay, you can actually see that it actually hit a maximum level at this spot and got rejected again, guys. It got rejected again. Don't forget. So what do we do now? We can easily just zoom off this Spectre trade like that. So if we check on 15 minutes, this is what we're having. You can actually see that. We go back to our 5 minutes. This is what we're having. It got rejected smoothly. Let's zoom up this trade, guys. We're having over 9,000 bucks now. And boom. Okay, guys, now that's exactly what we're having. So so we're actually running about 19,944, guys. This is actually really smooth. So you can see this level, guys. This is the level. It's actually dropping down again because it got rejected. So guys, that's just how Spectre actually goes. That's just how Spectre actually goes. So guys, we were able to just pick this Spectre, guys. Let me actually show you that. You can actually see that, guys. We're actually running over 19,000 bucks. That's approximately to 20k, because we're actually having about 19.944, which is approximately to 20k, just like that. And that's just how Spectre actually goes, guys. So we're able to just push a normal $15 due to 20k, just like that, approximately, guys. Guys, this is actually really smooth. Now this video, if I should be honest with you, was actually very stressful. This particular one was really stressful because it involved like taking like going into so many trades and starting from just $15 capital. It was actually really crazy, and trying to hit a target within 6 hours, that's actually very, very crazy, guys. You can actually check out, I actually dropped all the timelines, everything. I like the timing, everything is actually at the top of the phone screen. You could have seen everything there, right? We were able to achieve the target within just 6 hours, which is actually really smooth, guys. And all we used was just a normal support and resistance. That was all we used. We just waited for a rejection candlestick, it pushed up, boom, we're in, and then wait for a rejection again, it pushes down, we're in, and then we plot out our normal external trend line there, so that when it actually breaks out of our trend line, it gives us a normal retest and we're in again, pushes back to our retest zone, we're in again. That was just all we did, and we knew the final movement of the chart because the chart was moving from the bottom towards the top. It created a support and a resistance, and then we know the final movement is the top again because it's already on an uptrend, right? It's that easy. So every single principle there is actually very, very easy, guys. And guys, we'll just be having a mentorship course 100 where I'll be teaching 100 students live. Now there are just 100 seats available, just 100. The reason for that is so that everyone can actually have maximum attention, just like that. Now if you want to register for this, you can actually just scan the QR code there to register. You can just check in the description box. The link to actually register is actually there also. Now the deadline for registration is 20th of July 2024. So if you meet this particular video after that, it means that it has already expired. It means you can't register again. So that we're trying to hit 60,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel as soon as possible, so that immediately as we hit 60,000 subscribers, I'm coming back to this very video and I'll be going to the comment section and I'll be selecting 5 random subscribers that will just be funding their accounts $10,000 each, just like that. So that don't forget to drop your comments, guys, in the comment section. And if you are new to this particular YouTube channel, just remember to hit on subscription button, guys. Just hit the like button and remember to turn the notification bell so you don't miss any videos I'll be dropping out from this place, guys. And guys, just as you hit on subscription button, just remember to hit on like button, guys. Just hit on the like button, guys. And guys, if you're already part of this YouTube channel, you're already part of the Mr. PFX team, don't forget, guys, to actually turn the notification bell if it's not turned on yet. And also, guys, don't forget to actually hit on like button, guys. Just hit on the like button, guys, so that just how podcast actually goes, guys. So if you need a larger capital to trade on your account, a larger capital from between $3,000 to over $100,000, you can actually get that from the tradercapital.com. You just go on the tradercapital.com and you can actually be funded between $3,000 to over $100,000, just like that. So that just how podcast actually goes, guys. It's a bye from guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.